in here?
I don't know. What do you think's in there? Why don't we put it in your basket and we'll find out later when we get the rest of the eggs.
There's more back here.
I'm glad you have a basket. That's lots of eggs.
It's cold out here.
It's a little chilly. But you look so pretty hunting all these eggs.
I have lots of eggs. Here's another one.
Reagan, did you check out the froggy to see if there's one on the froggy? Good job.
No, what happened to in here?
Maybe there's something special in that one. Say Happy Easter, Reagan. Reagan, can you say Happy Easter?